Alright, now you know that, okay, sine 0 degree, 30, 45, 60, 90, no problem. Even cosine and tangent, right? Alright, you are almost super now. Alright, now I'm gonna make you real Superman. Alright, what do you see on your right hand side right here? That's right, this is 0 degree, 90, 180, 270, so on. Even 0 degree, so also we call this one 360, right? So you know that, right? Okay, 360 and so on. Keep on spinning. Okay, so this one we call quadrant. Quadrant. Okay, because 1, 2, 3, 4 are different places. All right. So quadrant. First quadrant. So right here. Okay. So between 0 and 9. Okay, this is second quadrant. What about this? You know that. Third. Okay, number 3 quadrant. This is number 4 quadrant. Alright. Very simple. Okay, now, you know what? Okay, I say you remember this, okay? All sa an ko. All sa an ko. Haha. Wait a minute. All sa an ko. Oh man, sounds funny. Alright, all san ko. Alright, sounds good. Anyway, so now all sa an ko. That means the first quadrant, all positive. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so all positive. Okay, right there. Okay, second quadrant, only sign is a positive. See? So what about third quadrant? Tangent. That's n. Okay, n. Alright, that's positive right there. What about number 4 quadrant? Cosine, number quadrant, always positive. Only cosine. That means a tangent and sine in fourth quadrant, number 4, right here, that's negative. That's why all you have to worry about is all sa an ko. All sa an ko. All sa an ko. Alright. So now, alright, what about sine 210? Right here on the top. Wow, man. Ooh, that's too big. Wait a minute, sine 210. Okay, you know what? Step number 1, you have to decide. Step number 1, you have to decide positive or negative business first. Okay. Number 2, you have to find out the difference between that horizontal line angle and given angle. Okay, let's say 210. Okay, 210 degree is given angle. Then difference between 180 right there. See, there's a horizontal line axis. Okay, then 30. Oh, 30 degree. See, that's what you have to find out. Then you use the same thing. Okay, then you gotta find out. Okay, number 3, you gotta find out sine 30, but all sa an ko business. Okay, this one is a third quadrant. Only tangent is positive. So this one is a sine. That's negative. Hoo-hoo, that's it. All right. Okay, simply speaking, one more time. Okay, sine 210. First, you have to decide positive or negative, right? All sa an ko. Oh, this one is 210 means number 3 quadrant. That's why only tangent is positive. This one is sine. That's why negative. You decide already. Then, hey, sine still there. Okay, then, so find out the difference between the horizontal axis, which is 180, and 210 is somewhere right here. See, that's about 210. That's why difference between 210 and 180, that's a 30. Oh, that's it. That means the answer is negative. You know sine 30 on your left hand side right there, half. That's why negative 0.5. See? Okay, this time let's try cosine, maybe what? Cosine 150. How about that? So 150. That means, oh, first of all, you gotta think about what? Positive or negative first, right? Then, oh, cosine 150. 150 means right here, second quadrant, okay? So that means only sine is a positive. That means this one is a cosine, so negative. Then, find out the difference, right? So cosine is the same. Now, difference between 180 and 150 is a 30. Whoa! Now you gotta find out what? Okay, the answer is minus cosine 30 means sine 60, right? Okay, square root 3 over 2. Oh man, so beautiful. Alright, try this monster. Tangent 300. Oh, 300. That means right away you know that, right? Oh, 300 is somewhere right here, right? That means number 4 quadrant. Also on co. Oh, only cosine is positive. That means tangent. I'm sorry. You are negative. Alright, next one. So you gotta use tangent again. Okay, still the same thing. Now you gotta find out the difference between horizontal line, which is 360. That's right. Or 0. Doesn't matter. But, okay, actually this one is what? 300. So you gotta use 360, right? 360 minus 300, which is what? That's right, 60 degree. Ah, that's why tangent 60. So we did that one already. So you can use maybe sine 60 over cosine 60 technique. Okay, so which is negative right here. Then that's it. All right, one more. What is the sine 120 then? 120. Oh, right away. Oh, 30 more than 90. So, right here, right? Second quadrant. Wait a minute. We're going to decide positive or negative. Okay, second quadrant or sine. Alright, sine is positive. Oh, yes. This is a positive. Okay, positive. We don't have to write, but hey, no big deal. Now then, sine. Okay, then what's the difference between 90 and 120? 30. Oh, this one is exactly same as what? Okay, wait a minute. I made a big mistake. You know what? I told you we gotta use this horizontal line, right? But actually, hey, I use either one. Okay, it's a vertical line or horizontal. If you use a vertical line like the 90, like that, then you have to change the sign to cosine. See? Ooh, just like that. That's cosine. Okay, but that's different technique, but you don't have to. Okay, so hey, you wanna stick with the horizontal line? Fine. Okay, that's cosine 30. Okay, so same as what? Sine 60. All right. Or directly, we find out from the horizontal line. Okay, so which is 60 difference, right? That means automatically sine 60, not sine 30, right? So we gotta use the horizontal line. Okay, so don't worry about cosine business right here. Okay, so sine 60, which is square root 3 over 2. Square root 3 over 2. Okay, as you know, square root 3 is 1.7321. Okay, divided by 2, so 0.86605, right? Hey, fantastic. All right, let's try one more. Sine 690. Whoa, man, monster looking. All right, 690. Oh, that's right. 690 is very close to 720. 720 is twice of 360, right? That's why 720 is the same thing right here. Okay, but 690 is only 30 less than that one. That's why it must be right here. Okay, so 30 difference. All right, but this one is a number 4 quadrant, so also on cosine is a positive. Oh, but this one is a sine. That's why negative. That's the first thing you have to decide, right? Now the difference between this horizontal line, which is 720, and 690, that's 30. So sine 30. Okay. So if you use vertical line, yes, vertical line, so 60 difference, but that's a cosine 60. Okay. So hey, you have to change the sine to cosine, right? Okay. So don't worry about that one now. Okay. Anyway, so negative, what is it? Sine 30. Half right there. So half, which is negative 0.5. Hey, hey,